I know.
Why?
Gotta work
I just paper.
Did you take your ADHD pills today?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You need to stop so we can finish our project up. Okay. Let's figure out a way for you to stay focused. No, for both of us to stay focused so we can get a good grade on this. And I don't have to get stay. Good luck trying.
Good luck. It's not me.
Why do we even have to stay in school anyways? Because school's important. Forget what you said. But I have an idea of a way you can stay focused.
What?
We could order fidget spinners so you don't have to be distracted and you can get this done.
What is a fidget spinner?
Fidget spinner, my friend. Easy.
Whoa. It's so satisfying.
That's what it's meant. It's meant to keep you focused.
Fidget spinners change lives. Typical treadmill and desk solutions are always over $1,000 to $2,000. Some are even over $4,000. But the desk solution, also known as the desk cycle, is only $149.
Desk cycles are made to keep people from having anxiety and to stay focused in class. And fidget spinners like this are only $4 online. You can get a fidget spinner like the one we just showed you in any color you like.
The fidget spinner was made last year, 2016.
Approximately 11% of children aged 4 to 17 are diagnosed with ADHD.
There are 43 different types of fidget spinners you could buy today.
The fidget spinner plan was originally planned in 1997 by Catherine A. The plan, but unfortunately expired, and they did not make them. But in 2016, an inventor came up and decided to make them in different shapes and sizes.
The types of bearings used are, hold up, let me first. Bearings are these silver things you see around the fidget spinner that help it to stabilize.
And there's bearings inside of this which spin, so you can go like this. And that's why this thing spins.
And bearings are generally used ceramic, metal, stainless steel, or chrome, and hybrid. Different bearings adjust the vibration, noise, and spin time of the fidget spinner, leading to unique sensory feedback.
This little fidget spinner can keep ADHD kids focused all around the world and especially in the
We
classroom.
would like to thank U.S. News, Wikipedia, Spinnermint, and Exercise Bike Benefits for sharing their information with us so we can share it with you.